Hey guys, it is Friday, March the 24th, 2023, and I'm taking advantage of some of the warmer days we've been having this week down here on the Gulf Coast to clean out the greenhouse and get some Bismarck palm trees that I have in some 4-inch containers up potted into some 3-gallon containers. Thank you for watching the videos and thank you for subscribing. I still currently have 477 Bismarck seeds germinating on the heat mat inside. I have 208 that have germinated and are in the greenhouse now. I'll be checking these in a couple of days to see how many more have germinated and get them potted up also. As you can see, I've already started working with the Bismarck palm seeds. The ones I have germinating inside on the heat mat, once they start germinating, I move them up into a larger 4-inch by 9-inch pot to give them a chance for the taproot to start to really grow. And the ones of these that the taproot starts to grow out the bottom of the container, I'm moving those up into these 3-gallon containers. And as you can see, a few of the 3-gallon containers are already shooting out their first spike. That will be the beginnings of a Bismarck palm. There's another. I have up potted a few already. There's another little one that I didn't even notice yet, just right there in front of my pinky finger. Right there. And here are some that I've grown from seed in a different stage. These are in 15-gallon containers now. And these are the 3 gallons. These 4-inch by 9-inch containers are getting repotted because of this. See how that taproot is getting all curly? I want to get it in a larger container, the 3-gallon, to give it a chance to get a more stable and strong root system and keep this root from drying out. You can see one of my greenhouse workers there on that limb. I have a few little green tree frogs in here. They help keep the pests down a little bit. This video does contain an affiliate link for Quick Tent. I got my 25 by 10 by 7 greenhouse through Quick Tent and have been very pleased with it. Helped me tremendously during our hard freeze we had a month or so back. Kept all of my plants alive. Also have the raised garden beds from Quick Tent with the little mini greenhouse covers. So if you're thinking about a raised garden bed, greenhouse, check out Quick Tent. You can check one of the tabs at the top of the video or in the description below. Also, if you use one of these links to contact Quick Tent and make a purchase, I will receive a commission. So at checkout, use the promo code GREG8% to get a little discount on your purchase. Thank you for watching. So, we're going to bottom that first. Alright, this is the 4-inch container with, again, the taproot's already growing out the bottom. We'll go ahead and remove that from this container. Be very, very careful. You don't want to damage the root because it still does have the seed attached to the top, which is weighted. But nice long taproot. I'm not going to really compress the soil down. I am going to thoroughly water it, which will take out a lot of the air pockets, but I don't want to put any pressure on the seed itself or the new root. And there you have it. Up potted into a 3-gallon container. And that's just a look at the progression of my Bismarck palm seed germination. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. So hit that subscribe button to stay up to date. And again, thank you again.